Peremogi Park or Victory Park is a rather green area in Odesa, not so far away from Arcadia resort area. Here is the main entrance and the main alley to the park. Don't expect to find here something special. Generally a lot of paths, flower beds, benches, trees, bushes, just green area. You can find such a fountain, nothing special but rather cute. This installation is really good in the park. It's like I don't know how to say, ship's cabin. Yeah. Here is some, I don't know, steering wheel. Yeah. And a bell. By the way, a bell box. And a lot of children draw to this rope. Ba-bam. So, several playgrounds. This is a pond. The water needs to be filtered urgently. 2 cascades, 2 or 3, I don't remember, bridges over the pond. In these houses should be swans, but I didn't see them. But I saw a lot of tortoises in the water. Yes, there are. There are some free of charge sunbeds, as you saw. You can use them. In the pond, in the center of the pond, there is a small island, and there are some attractions for children, some jumping ones. And you can rent a boat here. So, my opinion, rather a big area just to walk, but with except of this ship, you will not find some interesting installations in this area. So, Victory Park, Odesa.